Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy steps on how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to buy Solana on Trust Wallet, first tap open your Trust Wallet app and log into it. Once you're logged in, tap on the buy button from the main homepage. In the search box, type in Sol and you'll be able to find Solana displayed in the search result. Tap on Solana and simply type in the amount that you'd like to buy in the text box. Your minimum purchase will be shown in the display. For example, if I want to buy $80 worth Solana, I'll need to type in 80. Once you enter the price, the amount of Solana you'll be getting will be displayed right beneath it. Now, simply select your third-party provider right beneath. For example, let me select MoonPay. Finally, tap the next button at the bottom of the screen and you'll be taken to this website over here. Simply enter your email address in the text box and tap continue. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email verification code that will be sent on your email address and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily buy Solana on Trust Wallet using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.